So hey everybody, this is going to be a wig review. Well, not wig reviews. This is going to be a hair review from SuperNova Hair. They are Amazon seller and they are definitely one of my top vendors for hair. That's on the affordable side, quality, everything like that. We're going to get into the unit that I made with their hair, and I got a 1B ombre with a 99J. And this is the hair right here, and it's so pretty. It is perfect for the fall. Jumping straight into it, because I've had numerous reviews with them and purchased some of their hair myself. SuperNova is probably one of the, I want to say, top 5 in my list as for hair quality. I still have units from them from like a year ago that are still in perfect condition, that I do wear all the time in my makeup pictures on Instagram and stuff like that. And the quality is just amazing. It's super soft. So anyway, let's jump into the hair so you guys can see. As you guys can see, some of their, like, their closure has a lot of flyaways, and I've put an ample amount of product on this hair, so it does have a lot of flyaways on this closure, but it could just be this one. I'm not sure if it's I don't want to say that it's all of them, because I do, like I said, I do have a unit from like a year ago literally sitting right here, and it doesn't have any flyaways, and that's a frontal. So this one does have a little bit of flyaways. This closure also does not come pre-plucked, so it is a little bit on the thicker side if you like your hair to be super thick. This is 3 bundles and a 4x4 closure, and this is 22, 20, 18, and a 16-inch closure. And one thing I can say that I really like about this closure is the fact that it isn't just black and then goes into the 99J. It's actually like a mix, so it has like that balayage type of feel to it for the closure, so it's not like super harsh for the transition in colors. Now the actual bundles actually have that same effect, which I'm trying to get that in focus for you guys. Actually kind of still has that same effect, but it is more of the 1B than the 99J, but the closure just brings everything together. So this is actually really pretty. This is the body wave, but I did restyle it just because I wanted it to be more just more tamed. It doesn't have any product on it. The only thing that has product on it is this closure, just to get some of the flyaways laid down, but it's not super bad. The hair is amazing. I don't have any shedding. It's super soft. It's just okay, so let's just jump right into it. Let's put this wig on so you guys can see how it looks. Okay, so this is the unit that I did make. It's on a spandex cap. The only thing that I can say that I would probably do myself is probably pluck my part just to make it more realistic, and then I will also lay my front down as well to make it a little more flat so you don't see all the hair. Or I could easily pluck the closure in the front just to make it a little thinner, but I actually don't mind when closures have a little bit more hair to them, just so it's not super thin. So this is the unit. It's so pretty and so soft. I think the color is perfect for the fall. Like, it is gorgeous. I don't have any cons to this besides the flyaways and it being a little thick in the front, but again, I'm gonna lay this down some and probably pluck my part just to make it more realistic, but it lays flat. I do love that. And again, the hair quality is just, it's so soft, and it is that kind of like that deep burgundy color, which I actually really like, because it gives off like the effect of like a purple. It's basically the same color as my lipstick, so it's just perfect for fall. So that is all I have to say about that, because like I said, I don't have any cons with SuperNova, and I've done plenty of reviews for them, and their hair quality is always the same. And just real quick, I'm going to show you guys my other unit that I have from them. This is the unit right here, and it is a frontal unit, and I've had this for a year, and it's still, the hair is still in great condition. Literally have had this for a year. I think I've only washed it once because I have so many units. So this is definitely one of my faves to throw on when I'm doing like hair pictures and videos for Instagram. So this again is their hair, and it's one of my favorite units. I would never give this unit up. So anyway, this is their 1B99J, and again, it's super, super pretty. This is how long it comes to me, and this is a 22 inch. I'm about 5'2", so the hair is a bit long on me, but I'm okay with that. Like, long hair is amazing for the fall because it keeps you warm. So yeah, so again, no tangles, no shedding. I've only styled this once. I styled this last week, and it still is holding like that loose wave that I was going for. And again, it lays flat. The only thing, like I said, is some of these flyaways in this closure, but other than that, everything can be fixed. And let me know what you guys think about this hair color. If you've ordered from them before, it's just, their hair quality is amazing. Like, it's amazing. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in my next video.